In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site name on Wix. Whether you're looking to rebrand or simply update your site's identity, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, type Wix into the search bar, which should bring up the Wix website. Click on the link to navigate to wix.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Enter your login credentials to access your Wix account. Now, once you're safely logged into your Wix account, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the dashboard. Here, you will notice the name of your existing site. It's prominently displayed for your ease. You'll then want to click the drop-down arrow right next to the site name. This drop-down reveals more information about your site, providing a convenient overview. As you familiarize yourself with the drop-down menu, take a glance towards the upper right corner of the interface. Here, you'll spot the three dots icon, also known as More Site Actions. Clicking on these dots will present you with an array of additional site management actions. One of these will be highlighted for you, leading you smoothly to your next step. From the expanded menu, select Rename Site. Upon selecting this option, you'll see a preview of your current site name, front and center. This is where the magic happens. To change the name, simply click into the text box and start typing your desired new site name. Take a moment to review your changes. It's key to ensure that the new name is exactly what you want. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on Save. This will confirm your changes. A quick tip: always double check for typos or misspellings before saving, as this name represents your brand identity online. After saving, take a moment to look back at the upper left corner where your site name was originally displayed. You should now see your freshly updated site name proudly shining. If everything looks correct, congratulations, you've successfully renamed your site on Wix. This straightforward process not only allows for brand evolution or adjustments, but also ensures your site continues to reflect your vision accurately. Remember, maintaining synergy between your site's name and its content is essential for clear communication with its visitors. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made your Wix experience a bit smoother. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help make managing your online presence effortless and effective.